Resource Technology Center in WTC. My name is Doug Pindell, and I'm the instructor for the Refinish program here. If you happen to come into the school for Refinish, you would qualify provided you've already been through detailing 1 and 2 programs. That's a must in order to go into Refinish. When you get into Refinish, it's a 24-week course. I would have you 12 weeks out of that 24. The other 12 weeks will be spent out in an actual body shop. You would actually be getting paid while you were there. But here we would teach you how to become the painter's helper. The course includes videos, lectures, product demonstrations, extensive hands-on experience, including shop safety. We teach you how to use the spray gun. We teach you how to use the tools. As you can see, I have safety glasses here on this hood. We have what we call a dual action sander, or a DA. That's a sand. If you'll notice, this hood's already had a little damage on it, and it's been primed, and it's getting ready now for final sand before we seal it and get it in this paint booth to paint it. We just happen to be filming in this paint booth today because it's pretty noisy out in the shop, and we couldn't block out the background. So bear with us, and normally you wouldn't find all this in a paint booth, but we just want to let you see some of the different things. The hand sanders, the sandpaper, towels. Have to wipe everything down and make sure it's clean and it's tack-free. You've got a tack rag here. After you sand everything and wipe it down, you go over and tack it so it doesn't have any fuzz or anything on it, or lint. And so these are the things you learn. We feel that we teach you enough to get you out into a shop. What we do, we have what we call OJT, which is on-job training. We set up our job placement person and myself will set you up in a shop, and we will get you in there. As far as how you progress and go on, that's going to be entirely up to you. We can only do so much, but they will teach you beyond what I do here. If you progress well with them, they will send you to paint school. You'll go and you'll learn how to mix paint there. You'll learn different techniques beyond what I teach here. So we would love to have you here in the program, and like I said, when you go out of here, you get into a paint shop, you'll probably start out at $15 an hour.